To register for boarding, you are going to go to our website, springfieldsidekickdogtraining.com. You're going to left click on the register here button, scroll down to register for boarding and left click. If you have an account already, you're going to left click on log in. If you need to create an account, you will left click on create an account. Once you have logged in, you're going to left click on the boarding tab. Then you will left click on the sign up button. It will bring you to what dates you will be boarding with us. Click on the calendar, left click on the calendar and select your dates. Left click on next. You will then choose an option of what dog will be boarding with us and the drop off time. Left click on continue. This will bring you to our kennel card that has all the information with your information and your dog's information. Once you have filled this in, every time you come in to register for boarding, daycare, or classes, it will all be saved so you don't have to fill it in each time. Once it's filled in, you're going to scroll down, hit continue with your left click. This will bring you to the checkout page. If you need to schedule for an additional boarding or daycare, you may do that at this time. So we're going to schedule for some daycare. If you have been here before and went through your Sidekick's first day, you will click on Playful Daycare. If your dog has not went through their Sidekick's first day, you will click on Sign Up. It'll bring you to the calendar page where you'll want to choose what day you want them to come for daycare. Select the day with a left click, scroll down, left click on next. You're going to choose what dog you're bringing to daycare. Select a drop-off time, left click on continue. If that all information is the same and nothing has changed, you're going to scroll down, left click on continue. And then proceed with registration if you have selected all the services that you need at this time. You need to left click on I agree to our waiver, left click on agreed and proceed button. And this will bring you to our checkout page. If you have an account with PayPal, you can log in and pay through your PayPal account. If you do not have a PayPal account, you will still be able to use PayPal. Just select checkout with guest at the PayPal page.